Welcome back to my channel. On today's class, we are going to look at how to use higher time frame to know the direction of the market and make our entry with lower time frame. Second one, we are going to see the kind of market that you must not trade. And thirdly, another tools that you're going to use to determine the direction of the market. Now let's go over to the first one, how to use higher time frame and all the time frame in trading Olymp trade or in checking the direction of the market. Now come here, we're going to choose your time. Click on this 5 seconds. Okay, when you click on it, you're going to see 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. You see 5 minutes? See 5 minutes? Okay. You see 5 minutes? You see 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, that is 7 days, and monthly. So this is very, very important. Now let's apply this to our chart. Now when you look at this market now, this market is going down, but you don't know to an extent. You understand? You see support, resistance, support, resistance, support. See how the market is making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Now making it selling. Now from here now the market now broke. The market now broke this high now. Okay, the market broke this was high. It might come back. This market might maybe get to this point, come down and continue. You might don't wait to have a price action, but let's use daily. Let's go to daily. See what the market is doing. See what it's doing. So now let's go to higher time frame. Let's go start with daily and see the direction of the market first. Okay, I see that this is my direction of the market. This market is showing what? It's showing sell. Where I look at this market is sell. It's as good to an extent. It's a sell. Now before you conclude the sell, you need to look at some certain things, because from here the market was making higher, high, higher. You see how it's going. Okay, so sometimes the market might come here. When the market breaks this place now, the market might reach here. When it's reached to this point, it might break it and go down, or it will come down. When it will come to this place and try to go up at this at some point and start moving what down. But that is it for daily. Now let's check 4 hours and see what 4 hours is saying. Okay, now you see what by right, you see that this market is at the support. It's already at the support now. So this market might still go down. It might break the support to go and get the next one. Now let's bring it. Okay, so this market might target this place now. Now this market, you see this first one, it has passed. Now this market might target here. My target is here again. Before the thing will retrace back. When it retrace back, it will come down again. Now let's check daily. 1 hour time frame. You see, a 1 hour time frame, the market is still at the support. Okay, it's still at the support. A 1 hour time frame. In 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, you see the market. You see, the market has been selling. You see what happened here? The market went down, touch this support here, touch here. It comes up again. Now, broke this place and come down. You see what happened? It's broke here, come down. Now let's see. So since then, the market has been a little bit ranging, going small. This is what happened. Now you say, this market is selling. We know that this market might still retrace. It will retrace to the next resistance and come down again. Now let's check 15 minutes time frame. You see, as 15 minutes time frame is still at the support. So you need to use higher time frame to check all your activities. You see, to know when you are going to place what trade. Okay. Now the second one is the kind of market that you must not trade. Let's head over to 1 hour. Let me tell you the kind of market you must not. When you see that kind of market, please stay out from the market. Okay, you stay out from the market. Now you see this market like this now. From this point now, you need to place a trade. Now there's a breakout. The market went up, come down a bit, went up again, and begin to sell. So this is a time for you to enter the market. Okay. Now let me show you another one. Let me show you another one in the ranging market. Now the same thing happens here. Now at this point, you don't need to trade. There's a breakout, it goes up, it will come down, retrace, go up, come down. Then you don't need to. Another place, the market's doing like this now from here. You don't need to trade. It's called the ranging market. So in this video, we still use EMA 21 and EMA 9. EMA 21 is the yellow one, while EMA 9 is the green one. Okay, now remember the rules with higher time frame and lower time frame. Remember the rules. That's it must be in oversold. It must be in oversold, and EMA 9 and the EMA 21, they will cut across. EMA 21 we cut below EMA 9, both of them pointing to the same direction. You pick 1 or 2 candles. If it is upwards, you take up for like 5 minutes to 7 minutes. You go out from the market. So you need to be very patient with the market. You need to be very, very patient with the market. If the market did not give you what you want, please just leave. Now look at what happened here. Though this market is sold, but honestly it was not a clear one. You can hear here it's showing what overbought. None. But there was no clear evidence that this crossed very well. Look at how it was just going under. It's showing you that this market is not really a sell market. You go out, you don't just enter. Okay, now look at what happened here, like I've showed you before. But look at this place and this place. You can enter, pick 1 or 2 candles, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, you go out from the market. Now see another place. Now see from here. Now sometimes when markets want to reverse, you give it a time, let it do what? Reverse. When you come back and enter the market, see what happened here. And there was little space between EMA 9 and 21. You understand? And the market went down and go up, so you can pick your trade. Thank you guys. We've come to the end of today's class. Remember to subscribe. Use the link on my bio to register for Olymp trade and start practicing on your demo. Thanks for watching.